GMT sort of rose 21.99% in 7 days, which fundamentally is very critical amazingly. Generally bears control GMT's certainly current cost activities, which most certainly generally is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn basically is drifting at $315,095,195, which for the most part, generally is very huge incredibly. Current stepn cost certainly in a real sense is $0.3217 December 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on some things, facts, what generally is truly transient cost expectation for stepn. Especially is GMT a wise interest in a kind of sort of significant manner, which is genuinely huge. stepn support and obstruction levels and so forth, which sort of is very huge, or so they thought. Yet, prior to jumping very profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially certainly let us generally discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the pretty genuinely last 24 hours, there most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,590,508,773,070, showing how stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially most certainly is genuinely critical. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $47,266,939,707, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69%, showing what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69% in a sort of essentially enormous manner amazingly. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally truly, has seen a value decline of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.32, following a value change of 1.39% within a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner, or so they generally thought. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 0.87 and presently exchanging at 62 cents, which for the most part generally is very huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $73.24 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 4.71% in esteem, or so they generally really thought. These occasions fundamentally basically show that the market generally really is going in a descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. As of now, and in every practical sense, general commonly truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so the all-out exchanging volume by and large certainly remains at $47,266,939,707, quite in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an exceptionally significant way. Support explicitly in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become especially substantially more especially dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly kind of additional in a very large manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week, so GMT truly rose 21.99% in 7 days, or so they truly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while pretty genuinely all-out market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. There certainly generally are very nearly 1,385,950,707 especially truly are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.32, following a value change of 1.39% within a similar time span in a very for the most part significant manner. STPN Value Examination GMT Cost Examination for 17 December 2023, inside an especially everyday time period truly made sense of underneath, exhibiting that following certainly are the help and opposition levels of STPN, GMT, STPN execution. The cost of STPN, GMT, basically sort of is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the in every way that really matters. By and large beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week, so GMT sort of fundamentally rose 21.99% in 7 days, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving reasonably genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including quite straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the STPN. Exhibiting that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending heading for especially sort of present moment, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The overall strength list, RSI, shows that the GMT coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 37, which by and large is genuinely huge. While GMT's Williams percent R pointer essentially is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange most certainly signals sort of is entirely conceivable at this reach, so however prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized investigation, in a real sense, let us in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which sort of is genuinely huge. Which sort of is genuinely critical. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how stepn support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. STPN financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the truly everyday graph, kind of truly further appearance how bears control GMT's sort of current cost activities in a very significant manner, which generally is very huge. The STPN explicitly has generally for the most part break all it certainly explicitly upholds levels and things in a real sense are not looking great for the crypto market, exhibiting how